Hi, everybody. Welcome to the CEP 818 Sharetracker. Now, if you've ever been in a course with us before in the MAET program, this might look familiar. So let's take a minute and walk through this. You'll notice that across top we have groups, name, and the basics. So this is our Sparks notebook and our Twitter handles. You'll notice that we've divided it between Swati and my groups, and once everyone comes into the course, we'll go ahead and fill all this in. So for our example, we're going to look at Team Gryffindor, and we have Hermione Granger, Harry Potter, and Ron Weasley, and we have their Sparks notebook linked, and we can make these hyperlinks as well to their Twitter handle. You'll notice that across the top that we have anchored those beginning columns so that you can see all our modules all the way across the semester, along with the due dates. So you'll notice that our very first assignments are due on the 9th of September. Now, in these two little teeny columns over here, the CB stands for Creativity Buddies, and the I stands for Instructors. That is because throughout the semester, you'll be getting formative feedback from both your creativity buddies and from your instructor, either Swati or myself. So for instance, when Hermione is done, she's going to go ahead and write that she's done with this one and that she's done with this one. Because Hermione has linked her Sparks notebook, she doesn't need to retell me the link. I can just link on it off of the spreadsheet when I'm ready to go look at it. And let's pretend that her housemates here, her teammates, are also finished. So they're going to go ahead. We'll let Ron and Harry finish their work as well. Since Hermione sees that her teammates are also finished with their Sparks notebook, she's going to go in, and because Hermione is such a fantastic creativity buddy, she's going to put an X next to the people that she's feedback to. In addition, when Swati goes in to give feedback, she's going to let you know by putting an X in those boxes as well. So that's the way that the Sharetracker works, and it's just a way for everybody to keep in communication about what's going on in the course and what needs feedback, and to make sure that we all understand what's going on throughout the semester.